Hello future Dynamics 365 developers. Are you preparing for the MB-500 exam and want to become a certified expert in Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations apps developer? Stick with me through this video and I will show you how this practice test will help you pass the MB-500 exam on your very first try. In this video, I won't be talking about what the MB-500 exam is or its course structure, because if you are searching for a practice test, you already know that. Instead, I will focus on how you can pass your MB-500 exam on your first try using this practice test. We know that the MB-500 exam can be challenging. It covers a wide range of topics from developing solutions using Microsoft Power Platform to implementing integration and managing data. But don't worry, we have got your back. We have created this comprehensive practice test to equip you with everything you need to succeed. Here is what you can expect in our practice test. Single choice questions. These will test your core knowledge of Dynamics 365 Finance and Operation Development concepts and features. Multiple choice questions. These questions often have more than one correct answer, so you will need to carefully analyze each option. Scenario based question. We have included real-world scenario questions where you will need to apply your development knowledge to solve complex business challenges. Case study based questions. These in-depth questions will test your ability to analyze a business scenario and recommend the best development solutions using Dynamics 365 Finance and Operation. This will help you gain a deep understanding of the platform. Sounds amazing, right? But that's not all. We have packed this practice test with detailed explanation for every question. You won't just memorize answers, you will gain a deep understanding of why behind them. Plus, we have included reference link to official Microsoft documentation so you can explore topics in more detail and become a true Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations apps developer expert. So are you ready to unlock your potential in Dynamics 365 Finance and Operations? We invite you to enroll in our practice test and embark on this journey to success. Let's conquer the MB-500 exam together.